Okay, this is a quick video on setting up your site and importing the two correct coded files. So I've already got a site here, but you'll have managed sites on here. So you click manage sites, click new and site, call it my site, click on the first folder, go into your MBS, once you're in my site, you click into my site, click into images and click select. That should put on the end of there my site. Go back, double click into images, and it won't put that on the end, so you need to put images manually on there. Make sure you're not on the basic tab, you're actually on the advanced tab and you're at local info at the top here. So it's my site, click into that, go and find my site wherever it is. If you haven't got one, create one in your MBS, call it my site, and then create an image folder inside there, and that will bring out, that gives the path to that, and then click in and go inside your images folder. Remember at the end to put images on the end here, because it won't do it for you. And that's all there is to that. You click OK, and then click done, and that will put the site over here. So we've got the site, we've just got the images folder which is empty. Okay, now what we're going to do, we're going to get two correct files, which is index and styles, and they're in T drive. So we'll go into here, curriculum T, computer science, Mr. Chapman and Dreamweaver. Click on index just once, and then hold the control key, which is bottom left. Click on styles. With the control key still pressed, click on the C for copy. Now I've got two windows open, but you need to go back and find your site inside this window. I'll go to my site, and inside there I'm just going to do control V, which is paste. That's V for Victor, and that puts those two into there. When you've done that, if you go back to Dreamweaver and you refresh, if you're not there, you'll see the two styles, the styles in the index. Okay, so you now got the correct. Now if you double click and open index, and you'll see in the design it's all sat down the left hand side. In the code you'll see the link for the style sheet is here, other than the end bit, so you need to click on the end of that there and get rid of that triangle. Press the space, press the H because we want to link to it, so it's a href. It gives you a browse button, so you click on browse by using the enter, and we'll click on styles and we'll click OK. At the end, space, backslash, and our triangle. Okay, now if you look at the design now, it's changed. Now it's now taken on the styles. And if you want to look at that, you press F12, save changes to index, and that will display like that. So you've now got this. The only thing you need to do now is make this menu work properly. Okay, so what we do for that is we open up our style sheet. So we double click that and make sure we're at the bottom, and then we go back to computer T. So we'll go back to the T drive, computer science, Mr. Chapman, Dreamweaver, and there's a text file here. You double click that and do Control A and Control C to select it all. Go back to your style document and do Control V to paste it in. Switch back to your index page, and you'll see now already it's changed this menu over here. If you click F12 again, that asks you whether you want to save this style sheet because something's changed. Yes, please. It displays it again, and there we go. Now we've got a menu that flies out ready for you to change into what you want. Okay.